Beaverton Toyota is your Toyota brake expert. Our experience ensures your Toyota will stop in the shortest possible distance. Brake pads with only 3 mm of surface remaining must be replaced. Discs with uneven wear or warping need to be replaced or resurfaced. We use Toyota-tested and warrantied brakes. Hybrid vehicles with regenerative braking systems are complex systems that require trained technicians. Beaverton Toyota trained technicians tune and replace thousands of brake systems every year. The smallest adjustment can alter stopping power and distance by several feet. Your brake system, including braking fluid, needs to be inspected every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Rest assured, as a part of your regular service visit, we'll perform a multi-point inspection and inspect every aspect of your braking system. Beaverton Toyota is the #1 Toyota service center in Oregon, with 50 service bays plus an amazing staff here to help you. If you need your brakes checked because they squeal, pulse, or pedal pressure doesn't feel right, call us today at 503-664-3931. Come experience clear at Beaverton Toyota.